I wake in the dark, bleary-eyed from late-night collaborative dream creation. Sky freckling snowflake possibilities, shrouded and sparkling season is falling down. I'm looking forward to a lap around the heat in the kitchen, and behind the best sad song lyric is hope. Let's get tender. This could be the moisture, abundant precipitation warning. Inspiration through text is a rare knife into these juices. The anatomy of anticipation forms in metaphors sewn into skeleton stanzas. Overthink the seasoning. Analyze the sweetness of fruit. Slice into the onion's cross grain. PJ's dress code. Culinary aesthetic accompaniment. Rings falling on the cutting board. Slow cooker beep beckoning. Contemplate the sweetness of fruit. 2 eggs, 4 waffles, a whole onion, caramelized to perfection.